Are you having a baby shower and only have 30 minutes to set up? Well, come along with me so I can show you how to set this up in 30 minutes. So guys, here are the balloons that we're going to use. The theme is shades of pink. It's a girl baby shower. And so I have some Sempertex balloons in the color Fashion Bubble Gum Pink. I have also some Tuftex in the color Romey. That's like a pale pink. It's one of my favorite pinks of Tuftex. And then we also have some, I believe this is Retro Rosewood. I don't know. I think Kalisan makes this one. And this is what they look like. Got some 5-inch balloons here. And I also have these all in 5 inches too. So we're going to do a 12-foot garland on one side and maybe like a 3-foot garland on the other side. I only have 30 minutes. Hold on, get me up here. I only have 30 minutes to set up the event. So I'm going to just go ahead and set it up at home and just transport it to the event. The event is going to be at a restaurant called Maggiano's. It's in the town center, which is a very busy area in Jacksonville. The St. John's Town Center is always very busy. I don't know what type of traffic I'm going to encounter, so I'll go ahead and get everything prepped and set up here as much as I can so that when I get to the venue tomorrow, I'm just setting up. I just want to pop and drop. The key to any successful garland, one that's going to look nice and beautiful, is to make sure that you are rounding out your balloons. The rounder the balloons, the better the garland looks. Okay, this is what we're looking like so far. These are the colors. They don't look very pink, but I guess this is what the client wanted. So maybe I'm blowing many of these. I'm also going to incorporate white just to break up the different shades of pink. I think that's going to look cute in the design. So stay tuned. As you can see here, I took some 260 balloons. I made them good and flat like that. Tied them at the ends, and this is what you're going to use to do your garland. Sorry. Okay, guys, so I'm back, and I got my garland all blown up here. And then I also have the 7.5-foot wall panel. I put a pink covering on it because this is shades of pink. And now I'm getting ready to attach the garland. I'm going to put everything the way I want it to go, and then I'll put it all in one thing so that when I transport it, it'll be like already put together. Okay guys, this is how she's looking. I don't have any embellishments on her yet, but this is what it looks like. This is what I call the bones of the garland. It's all put together. And if you're still here guys, consider hitting that like button. It really helps my videos get pushed through the algorithm. And Lord knows your girl needs some help in this algorithm. And stay tuned so you can see how I set this all up in 30 minutes. So I'm just going to put this garland the way it is in a bag in one long piece. Good morning. So it's the next day, and this is what the balloon room is looking like. I just cleaned this room up, and it's already tore up from the floor up, y'all. Look at it. Look at that. Look at it. Ugh. So I'm up and at them. All right. Did you want it in the corner, or did you want it?
Yeah, I think whatever. Do you think that corner will be big enough for you to fit everything?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
And now I'm just using a 260 balloon and a clamp that you get from the Home Depot. This secures the garland to the backdrop. I got my auntie and son with me today. He's my little helper for today. I'm trying to teach him the balloon business. I don't think he really likes to do this stuff, but it'll give him some character, I guess. Now that the top of the garland is secured, we are securing the bottom and adding some balloon weights to the bottom so that the garland doesn't float away. to my 45 and up club. What y'all do for hot flashes? I am sweating like a pig. I don't know. These hot flashes this year has just been killing me. It's not even hot in there, but as you can see, I am like just pouring sweat on my face. So if you guys have any little recommendations, please let your girl know, because I'm trying to look more professional on these jobs, but I am just like sweating so profusely. I don't know what to do about it. And now it's time to add on my favorite part of the balloon garland, which is the embellishments. I have some 5-inch balloon clusters here, and I'm just having my son pass them to me. I'm using the color block method. I believe that these little 5-inch balloons always add a hint of dimension, and it just makes the garland look more luxurious. This is what I call a deluxe garland because I use more than 2 to 3 balloon sizes. The size of the balloons that I'm using here are 11-inch, 12-inch, 16-inch, 17-inch, 24-inch, and 5-inch balloons. Bam! And this is how we looking. Comment down below what you think. It took me exactly 22 minutes to set this up for this baby shower. And that's all I have for you guys for today. Thanks. Bye.